Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to protect puff shrooms. We'll start by selecting the perfect spot for your fungi to thrive. A location with partial shade and good drainage is ideal, ensuring they get enough light without drying out. Also, preparing your soil with rich organic matter and maintaining a pH between 6.0 and 7.5 will give your puff shrooms a strong foundation for robust growth and protection. Next, let's talk about creating the perfect environment. Consistent soil moisture is key. Aim for damp, not soggy, conditions to prevent root rot. Good air circulation is also vital, helping to deter common fungal issues that can harm your crop. Additionally, shielding your developing puff shrooms from harsh winds and sudden temperature changes will significantly boost their chances of survival and vigorous development. Now, let's address potential threats. Regular inspection is your first line of defense. Look closely for any tiny invaders or unusual spots on your puff shrooms. If you spot any affected areas, gently remove them right away to stop any disease from spreading further. For pest control, consider natural solutions like a diluted neem oil spray or planting beneficial companion plants nearby to naturally deter unwanted guests. Finally, let's discuss long-term care and harvesting. Harvest your puff shrooms when they are still firm and a pristine white color, typically before they begin to soften or turn yellowish. To ensure a bountiful future harvest, always leave some spores behind in the soil. This encourages new growth for seasons to come. Continue to monitor your growing area diligently for any environmental shifts or emerging challenges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.